Alright, so now we're gonna be doing the map lights, okay guys? So this is not like the older models where you can actually pry off just the lens and it'll allow you to pull the bulb from the inside. You actually have to remove the console. So first of all, what you're gonna do, which we already got it started, is that there's gonna be two, I believe it was 6mm screws that go here, okay? It might actually be a 7mm, okay? I kind of lost where I put it. Let's check real quick. It's actually 8, okay? It's an 8. It's an 8mm that goes here. There'll be two of them. Ooh, I won't grab them. Alright, well, I'll show you the screws at the end, but there's gonna be two of them here. Make sure you remove those, because if you don't remove these, you're gonna break this when you're trying to pull it out, okay? And then there's actually gonna be two clips in these edges right here, in these corners. And this one's just pretty much just hanging there now. So all you gotta do is get like a trim remover, plastics like that, you don't damage the actual roof liner, and just carefully take your time, okay? I actually recommend, this is not for the faint of heart, because there is a high chance you could break these, okay? So make sure you take your time with it. I've already messed with this a lot just to already figure out where the points are. So just like that, you heard it clip out. You want to get your edge and just scroll like that.
There you go.
So at this point, make sure you disconnect the actual plugs, because it'll make it difficult to actually work with if you try to do it here. So take your time. Pops out just like that. Pull these two tabs, okay? So it is where the actual lights are at. You're gonna pull these tabs right here, okay? And then you take out the whole assembly. Alright, so at this point you can set this aside. You're gonna be taking out the T10s. Just like that, just wiggle them out. You get your new Lasfit T10 bolts. Okay. Alright, and before you reassemble everything, test it. You want to make sure it actually works before you put everything together, okay? There you go. Okay, and avoid touching anything over here in the circuit, okay? Try to hold it from the plastic parts. Set it to auto, so the auto function works. You turn it off, turn it back on. That's both of them on at all times. That'll be only open when the doors, okay? So we're gonna turn it back to off again. Disconnect it. And reassemble everything. So we're gonna reassemble this, and there's a specific way you gotta put this all together, or else like you risk breaking stuff. So you see these tabs in the back, you wanna start with these first, okay? So you're gonna line them up to these. Once they're in, and there you go. Make sure you plug it. Okay, just like that. And then just like that. Turn it off. Okay. Okay, and pretty much it's in already. And you just remember, put back your two 8mm screws that go in here, okay?
Here's a before look with the halogen bulbs and an after look with the LED bulbs. Thank you for tuning in to the Lasfit YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment box below. For more information, stay tuned for the latest updates. Please